Hi everyone, George here from Data Academy. Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to manage environments using Conda. Alright, let's dive in. So first, let us get into the environment we created before. So remember, the environment's name is myinf. So we can do Conda activate myinf. Now we are within this myinf environment. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to export this environment into a YAML file so that later on, if I want to recreate the environment, I can use the YAML file. Okay, so then what we can do is we can say conda inf export to export the environment, and then now we supply the YAML file's name where we are going to store our environment in. So we're going to say myinf.yml stands for YAML. And there you go. The YAML file has been saved. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to get out of this myinf environment, and then we're going to delete it so that we can recreate using the YAML file we just created. Okay. And recall the command that we need to get out of the environment is conda deactivate. Then we're out of the environment. Now we're going to remove the environment. Conda inf remove -- name, and the environment we want to remove is this myinf environment. Okay. Now we can confirm this environment has been removed by doing conda inf list. And we're no longer seeing the myinf environment. However, we can recreate the environment by using the YAML file we just exported. Okay, so then we can do conda inf create -- file, and then we're going to supply the YAML file's name here. Okay. Now the environment is being recreated here. So once this is done, again, we can verify by doing conda inf list. And now we're seeing myinf environment right there. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to create a clone of an existing environment. And you might be wondering, what is the point of doing this? Well, think about it. Sometimes maybe you want to build a new environment on top of an existing environment. You want to use an existing environment as the base environment, and then you can add a bunch of other packages. If that's the case, then the cloning of the environment is going to be really handy. So let's say we want to clone the myinf environment. Then what we need to do first is we need to go into that environment, okay, by doing conda activate myinf. And here we are in this myinf environment. And now we can clone the environment by doing this. Conda create -- name myclone. So this is going to be the new name, i.e. the new environment that we are going to create by doing the cloning. And then we're going to say clone, and this is the environment that we are going to clone. So if we do this, we see that the environment is being cloned. And once this is done, we can check the environment again by doing conda inf list. And now there you go. You see the myclone environment there, which is a clone of myinf. All right, that's everything for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.